Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise of or abridging the freedom of speech or of press or the right of people to peacefully assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. This is what it says, okay? Notice Congress is highlighted, okay? So the first thing we're going to talk about is this First Amendment is only applicable in government settings. First Amendment doesn't apply when you're on social media. This has been expanded. If you read this, you're like, well, how does this get to art? Okay, well, it's been expanded through the meaning and understanding through cases over decades and decades of continuing to expand and expand and expand what free expression and free speech mean to incorporate artwork as well. And then also expanded to not only apply to federal government, but also states and local and city governments as well, okay? You're like, hey, I'm being censored. You're violating my First Amendment rights. It only protects the government, okay? The government from limiting your ability to speak in government agencies as well. So again, federal government, state governments, municipal governments. It also deals with like public schools as well and police departments. And I'm going to go into some other examples as well. But it doesn't apply with private individuals and private business and private citizens. So if a gallery is censoring your work, I'm sorry, that's not a First Amendment violation, okay? Potentially a museum too, depending if they're a private or a public museum, if they're a government museum or a private museum. Again, social media is owned by private individuals. We hear a lot of companies sort of canceling their support of someone they've endorsed because they've said something, right? Well, they can do that. They're private. How much you're protected in your speech is going to change based on where you're doing the speech, okay? So in traditional public forums, you're going to get the most protection. It's going to be much harder for the government to regulate and put limitations.